Hello viewer, Burt Royale here again with another Tales from the Toy Shed video. Now look what we've got here today. As promised, Captain Scarlet Maximum Security Vehicle by Dinky. Wow, look at this. Now this really is a heavy duty vehicle. Now, as you can see, still got Spectrum logo on the doors. Gull wing doors, I have you know, viewer. Look, gull wing doors. Now inside, we've got this lovely red interior with these drop-down steps. Yep. I'll just shut that up and shut that down. Now, in white, this has got a bit of wear and tear on it, but a really heavy-duty vehicle. Now, if we turn it over, lovely tyres there, plenty of tread on those, viewer, lovely. There, if we turn it round that way so you can see, look, Dinky Toys, Maximum Security Vehicle, Dinky. 105. Yeah. Now, these come with a very special little present inside. Yeah, they do. And it's this. A box, crate in fact, of gold bars. Yeah. Comes with a lid. Put the little lid on there. Oh. Bit fiddly that one, viewer, but let's get that on there. Can you see that? And then that goes in there. Flip up the steps. Down go wing door. And there we go. Now, these were made by Dinky, late 60s, and it's part of the Captain Scarlet Terrific Trio. Yeah. So please check out my other videos to see my other Captain Scarlet vehicles from the show. Yeah. Hope you enjoy the video, and as always, please subscribe to my channel. Cheerie Bye.